Hello and welcome back to Tea on the Deep Blue Sea Great British Marine Life series. Today I'm going to be talking all about the spiny starfish.
Great British Marine Life, spiny starfish, Marthasterias, glacialis. Spiny starfish belong to the phylum Echinodermata, along with sea urchins, sea cucumbers, sea lilies and feather stars. The largest starfish found around the British coast, the spiny starfish can reach an impressive diameter of 70 centimetres, although on average they are around 30 centimetres. They can be seen all year round along the west coast of Great Britain. They are pale and normally easy to spot on the seabed. They have 3 rows of unmistakable white spines. They often have purple tips at the end of their arms, although this isn't always the case. They range in colour from pale cream through to a pale grey-green colour. Their spines are surrounded by specialised minute modified spines, pedicelaria. These are used for protection and to gather food. Although very spiny, they do not feel sharp to the touch, they feel quite soft and bumpy. They are a voracious predator, like with other starfish, and prey on bivalve mollusks, crustaceans and other starfish, as well as sea urchins, dead or alive. They move relatively quickly on their tube feet when hunting down prey, which they detect via smell. Spiny starfish have light-sensitive organs called ocelli at the tips of their arms. These enable them to detect movement, which is why starfish often roll up the tips of their arms. If this species feels threatened, they can shed one of their arms. They will grow it back though. Starfish with more than 5 arms can result from this process. They inhabit a variety of habitats, from sheltered muddy areas to exposed rock faces, from shallow seaweed meadows to deep reefs, up to 200 metres in depth. They have not been evaluated for the IUCN Red List.
So that was my spiny starfish video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learnt something new about some of the great British marine life we have around our coasts. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell for notifications to be notified when I next post. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.